Multiply 31.4 by 50 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 4 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 7. 5 times 3 is 15. The second partial product is 15,700. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 7 is 7. In the thousands column, bring down 5. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 15,700. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 15,700 becomes 1,570.0. That is simply 1,570. So 31.4 times 50 is 1,570.